In this example, I just want to give a quick tip on selecting and hiding geometry. Uh, we have a basic overall view of my bench grinder here, and I just want to stage a view of the overall assembly and maybe apply a few environment settings. I'll go to the Render tab and let's just uncheck the ground and the grid option so that we get just a nice clean white background. And then from the Views tab, I'll just capture that as a view. Now if I wanted to, I could experiment with some different shading styles, maybe go to a flat technical style and perhaps change the outlines to a smart outline, and that gives it a little bit more of a cartoon-like appearance. And that's looking pretty good. In fact, I think I'll just update that previous view with those new changes. Now in another view, I might want to isolate maybe just the right-hand guard assembly. So to do that, let's go to the assembly tree and let's find that component or that subassembly, that group of components. And notice that I'm in part select mode and not assembly select mode here. So I'm just selecting the parts at the top level of that guard assembly, and then I'll just right click, and from the little eyeball icon, if you drop that down, you'll see some different visibility commands like show all and hide and so on. What I want to do is show the selection and hide everything else. So this is a very convenient way to basically invert your selection. If I've selected a group of components, I just want to show those and leave everything else hidden. And that way I've got a nice isolated view, and I'll create a new view of that, just of that guard assembly.